Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating realm of plant-based living and all its incredible benefits. Plant-based living is a dietary approach that is becoming increasingly popular and embraced by many people today. This lifestyle primarily focuses on consuming plant-based foods while reducing the intake of animal products as much as possible. The main characteristic of plant-based living is the preference for vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds over animal-derived products such as meat, fish, poultry, dairy, and eggs. Those who follow a plant-based diet may diversify these food choices and opt for naturally obtained nutrients. This dietary choice offers various health advantages. Numerous scientific studies indicate that plant-based nutrition can positively impact heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. It can also contribute to weight management and the prevention of certain chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes. Plant-based diets are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can strengthen the immune system and improve digestive health. However, there are some challenges associated with plant-based living. Ensuring an adequate intake of essential nutrients such as B12 vitamin, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids is crucial for individuals on a plant-based diet. Therefore, careful planning and creating a balanced dietary regimen are important for those embracing this lifestyle. Moreover, cultural and social factors can present difficulties in adopting a plant-based lifestyle. In some communities and families, consuming meat and animal products holds significant cultural and social importance. Therefore, transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle requires considering environmental, ethical, and health factors along with personal values and social environment. In conclusion, plant-based living is a preferred dietary choice for many individuals due to its health, environmental, and ethical benefits. However, since everyone has different dietary needs and preferences, it is essential to consider individual requirements and establish a well-balanced dietary plan when transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle. This way, it is possible to enhance personal health and well-being while contributing to environmental sustainability.